Okay, well, let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is an Android phone, preferably 3 point something or newer, but who cares? Then you're going to need random ass props. Let's see, like, I don't know, Hatchet or whatever it is you want to use for your original content picture. So first you're going to open the previously installed photo editing app. Eventually we'll be using the Tools program, which has the GIF compiler, but we don't need to worry about that yet. What we're going to actually do is click on the Photos segment, assuming you already have taken your photos. This button should take you into the directory settings. Hey look, here's some pictures I've taken. I guess let's start with the one of a rock, me holding a rock. How's that? Cool. Now if you wanted some text on it, you go to where it says text/image, and you push the plus icon, and you push the text icon, boop, just like so, and you get into your word processor. Go to properties and look through all your fonts. There's so many fonts, but fuck it, I guess I'll just use Droid Sans Bold. Wait, I just passed it, didn't I? There it is. Okay, so now you can enter in, if you go to the text box, so obviously where you enter in your text. Let's see, this is a rock. Wow, fancy that, look. Okay, then you can resize it by using the corner buttons. And now I don't know why there's that background box around it. You can go into your settings and edit it to remove it. If you wanted to and it annoyed you that bad, it annoys me personally. Down near the bottom, you can change the colors to the background box. You have to make sure you set it to minimal opacity, so there just is nothing to even see in the background. So it'll just be text on photo. Just like so. And then you save it to your directory. And then you edit all your other photos. Let's speed this one up though. Now that that's taken care of, we have the making of the GIF file. So we're gonna go back down to the tools thing that we showed you earlier, hit GIF animator, whoop, and then add files. And it, well, what is that? Wait, they're not showing up. Where's, oh, recent files, here we go. And check it out, there it is, there's all those fucking files, right there. So then you just select all of them, boop, ba-doop, ba-doop, ba-doop. And haha. Okay, now we can choose our dimensions of it. You can choose how each image fits the screen. You can stretch it, you could fit it, you could fill it. Either way, experiment around with that. It's a lot of fun. Oh, sometimes. And then, whoop, there it is, it's exported. Wait, okay, but if I look at it, it's going in the wrong direction now. So, I gotta change the order, apparently, of how I do that. Okay, so all you need to do is drag it from the little corner menu there, and now it should be in order. Then you can continue to try to export it again, make sure it's all set up the same way it was before. There we go, it's exporting, and rock, paper, scissors, hatchet. Yep, over and over and over again. And now you have your GIF file. One last step, all you need to do is name it, save it in a directory in your phone, and then it will be ready for anything for posting to Facebook. Once you hit the save, you should see the image has been saved successfully. That was the end, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you can stick around for more tutorials in the future and stuff. Deuces.